Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. April is here, and it's the perfect time to get your Honda road ready for the season ahead at Conicelli Honda Service Center. Start with confidence with a free battery inspection. Plus, take $20 off a battery replacement if you need one. So you're never left guessing when it comes to starting your vehicle. Keep your Honda running like new with an oil change and tire rotation for just $74.95. Essential maintenance that helps protect your engine and extend the life of your tires. Take advantage of our Spring Spend and Save event and get up to $150 off same-day service, making it easier than ever to handle everything your vehicle needs in one visit. And when it comes to safety, don't wait. Enjoy $25 off front and/or rear brake service so you can drive with confidence every time you hit the road. Schedule your service today at conicelliservice.com or simply call 888-289-5948. Conicelli Honda, a nice place to do business.